Hello everyone, I'm your host, Matt Hardy. Today I'm going to introduce you to UniFi by Ubiquiti Networks, a scalable enterprise wireless LAN platform. To start, I'll be doing a product and spec overview. I'll then talk about who uses UniFi, present a software overview, and then walk you through a live demo of our latest software release. So what is UniFi? UniFi is our scalable enterprise wireless LAN platform that has a few very distinct features. Let's take a look. UniFi is a controller-based system. A controller-based system allows you to manage and monitor all of your access points from one central location. It is a software package and we do provide support for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. UniFi uses the latest wireless technologies, including 802.11ac. The UniFi controller system is very scalable and can easily scale to thousands of access points. Ubiquiti currently offers several access points that meet a wide variety of specific applications. We have 4 different indoor access points. First, we have the standard UniFi AP. Next, the AP Long Range, the dual band AP Pro, and finally, the 802.11ac AP. We also have 3 different outdoor access points: the Outdoor Plus, the 5 GHz Outdoor AP, and the 802.11ac Outdoor. The UniFi software is very intuitive and easy to use. And of course, UniFi comes with Ubiquiti's disruptive pricing. UniFi's software-based controller system gives you the flexibility to install on your own equipment at your facility or virtually in the cloud. Now that you're more familiar with the system, let's continue on to see who uses UniFi. Here's a hint, it might even be you. UniFi is used in a wide variety of industries, including hospitality, retail, education, real estate, and government. Let's take a look at a few specific examples of our customers. First, let's look at the Hangout Music Festival, which is an annual 3-day outdoor music event held in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and attracts about 40,000 people every year. The festival required reliable Wi-Fi for personnel in a sprawling venue that had to support over 2,000 devices from 70 different groups, including bands, production crews, producers, vendors, and sponsors. Ubiquiti Networks UniFi provided reliable, high-speed Wi-Fi access to staff and VIPs across the entire venue. It was easy to deploy, and using the UniFi controller, the 6-member team had the network up and running in 2 days. In many cases, a trailer would be put in place, power was connected, and broadband services started within an hour. Also, with UniFi's built-in quality of service, the volunteers were able to use their VoIP devices without any issues. The primary technical challenge was RF noise. By taking advantage of both the 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies, the dual-band UniFi AP Pro helped overcome the challenge of an already noisy environment. Next, let's take a look at Universidad del Azuay and their campus-wide deployment of UniFi. The university worked with Wi-Fi Telecom and AirEC to install over 90 UniFi APs on a 10,000 square meter campus. The UniFi network supports over 6,000 students and faculty, whether they are in a classroom or outside on the campus grounds. Since the installment, students and teachers have both been excited about the fast and robust access UniFi has given them. This is just one of several thousand schools in over 100 countries across the world who have empowered their students and faculty with access to a global network of information and educational materials. Those are just a few of the ways UniFi can be used. Next, I'd like to give you an overview of the UniFi software. After logging in, the first screen you'll see is the map screen. From this screen, you'll get an at-a-glance view of the current status of your network. On the map, the access points can be displayed with coverage information and additional details. For each site, you can configure multiple maps, which is good for situations like a multi-story building. Adding new access points to the network is very easy. After plugging the device into your network, it will appear in the pending APs list. From this list, select the device and click Adopt. After a few moments, it will appear in the Unplaced APs window. From here, drag it onto the map, and the device will automatically be provisioned with the configuration of the site. All of the configuration for your UniFi network happens from one location. Since UniFi is a controller-based system, it's very easy to manage many devices. To get started, we'll take a look at the wireless network configuration. Each access point supports up to 4 wireless networks, or SSIDs. These can be used for different types of users, such as employees, guests, and others. Each SSID can have unique security settings, per user rate limiting, and VLANs. UniFi also supports creating wireless groups, which allows different configuration settings for different groups of access points. With wireless groups, you can enable load balancing to evenly distribute users among nearby APs. This helps prevent individual APs from becoming overloaded. You can also enable UniFi's proprietary zero handoff feature, which allows users to seamlessly roam from AP to AP with no traffic interruption. The zero handoff feature requires no special drivers and will work with all types of clients such as voice over IP phones. With UniFi, it's very easy to create a guest portal system for new users to use when attempting to join your network. The guest will be displayed a splash screen, which can be configured with only a terms acceptance option, a simple password, or even a powerful hotspot system. The guest portal can be completely customized by modifying the provided template. Out of the box, you can enable a voucher-based system, which allows an operator to generate one-time codes for temporary users, such as hotel guests. UniFi also integrates with popular third-party payment processors, allowing providers to offer payment plans to guests with different tiers of service. If your network has different types of users, you can configure multiple user groups. Each user group allows independent bandwidth limit rules. UniFi offers a very powerful reporting dashboard. The Statistics tab displays network usage data, such as number of clients, total traffic, and the most active APs and wireless networks. To see a list of all devices in your network, you can use the Access Points tag. From this tab, you can see all APs, what channel they're operating on, how many users on each AP, and how active they are. To see more information about a certain AP, click the name of the AP, and a dialog box appears with more details. Users connecting to a UniFi network are separated into two types: users and guests. Users are devices that have been authorized to use the network and typically have more privileges. Guests are temporary and have more restrictions, such as bandwidth limits and limited access to the network. UniFi offers an easy way to view both types of users. Similar to the Access Points tab, the Users tab shows a list view of all users on your network. From here, you can browse to find specific users and see the status of that user, or perform specific actions like blocking the user from having network access. To see more information or history about a user, you can click on the user's name and a dialog box will appear. If there are many users, you can also use the search function to easily locate a specific user. From here, you can also block a user or unauthorize them, requiring them to log back into the network. The Insight tab shows historical data from the operation of your network. From this screen, you can view past user actions, when they associated, how long they were connected, and how much traffic they used. You can also monitor your network for rogue access points. Rogue access points are unauthorized APs in the same area that can be used for malicious purposes, such as collecting user data. The UniFi controller now has multi-site support, which allows the hosting of multiple unique sites from the same UniFi installation. Each site is like a separate instance of the UniFi system, with different configurations, statistics, users, and guest portals. Each site also has individual user and admin accounts. As an example, if you have a UniFi site for a coffee shop and a separate site for a hotel, you can provide the hotel admin access to their site without granting access to the coffee shop. Now that you know how the software works, let's go through the current UniFi access point solutions we provide. For indoor solutions, we offer a standard 2.4 GHz UniFi AP. For more coverage, you can go with our AP long range. For more dense deployments, we offer the dual band AP Pro. And for ultimate performance, we offer the 802.11 AC AP, which provides up to 1,750 megabits per second capacity from the 2.4 and 5 GHz radios combined. There are three different outdoor access points. We have the Outdoor Plus, which has our multi-lane RF technology. We have the 5 GHz Outdoor AP, and finally, we have the 802.11 AC Outdoor AP. Our patented multi-lane RF technology isolates signals on the operating channel and removes adjacent channel interference. Wireless capacity and throughput are increased in high-density areas, and multiple APs can operate in close proximity. As you can see, UniFi has a lot to offer and can be used in many different ways. For more product information and technical support, visit our website at ubnt.com and stay tuned for future updates and announcements. I'm Matt Hardy, and on behalf of everyone at Ubiquity Networks, thanks for watching.